Hello everybody, Andromeda here, and today we're going to be talking about some of the weirdest symbols you might encounter in mathematics, from some of the well-known ones to some of the lesser-known ones. Summation, represented by the Greek symbol sigma, is an operation that is used to sum all the numbers in a sequence. So of course, when using sigma, we have upper limits and lower limits. The top and bottom numbers show us what term to start at and what term to stop at. And this number here in the middle shows us what sequence we're adding up. So we have a lower limit of 1 and an upper limit of 5, which shows us that we need to sum the first 5 terms of the sequence. And if you do this correctly, you'll find out that the first 5 terms of the sequence add up to 75. The product operation is actually very similar to the summation operation, it being the exact same operation, but instead of summing, we multiply. This drastically increases our answer from a measly 75 to 375,000. Integrals, yet another well-known symbol, are used in calculus, and they're used for finding an area under a curve. Just like summation, integrals have upper and lower limits. These are called bounds. And then you have your graph function, which is the curve that you're finding the area of. And then this dx stands for difference in x. So to put it into perspective, the upper and lower bounds show what x position to go to and from, basically showing the area under the curve from the x position 3 to x position 5. The primorial operation is actually quite similar to the factorial operation, which is the product of all numbers below n, but primorial only multiplies that number by all prime numbers below n. So for example, 7 primorial, which is 7 times 5 times 3 times 2, which is, so 7 times 5, which is 35, 35 times 3, 105, and then 105 times 2, which is just 210. Opposed to 7 factorial, which is 7 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 5040. Therefore is the last symbol on our list, and is probably the weirdest out of them all. This mathematical symbol literally just means the word therefore. So, for example, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, therefore 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. It's that simple. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.